easyCHP. With our cogeneration units, we offer you the most efficient on-site combined heat and power supply, and it can be done in no time at all. It is well known that the XRGI from Easy Power offers quick and simple installation, but that's certainly not all. Compared to conventional energy systems, the XRGI reduces CO2 emissions by over 50%. Using green gas from renewable sources, it even works in a climate-neutral way. The XRGI saves energy costs, improves the climate balance, and is a future-proof way of supplying buildings. This makes the XRGI the perfect energy solution for your project. It's also one of the most compact cogeneration units in its class. It fits through any door and is quickly installed in existing or new buildings via plug-and-play. Its fully encapsulated engine and generator make the XRGI exceptionally quiet. No additional ventilation is needed, nor any special foundation work. Planners, installers, and operators know Easy Power has simply thought of everything. And that's why we are your partner for sustainable energy solutions. From planning and installation to commissioning and service, Easy Power is always by your side. Count on the European market leader, Easy Power.